This morning, Jakarta welcomes us with fresh air. Even as the sun begins to rise on the eastern horizon, in the Ancol area, the view of the blue sea blends with the soothing sea breeze. Several fishermen are already busy preparing their boats, while seabirds fly around looking for breakfast. The streets around here are starting to get busy, but the atmosphere remains peaceful. This is another face of Jakarta rarely seen calm, beautiful, and full of positive energy to start the day. Let's enjoy every second of the morning in Ancol, before the hustle and bustle of the city takes over.